Hello and welcome back to Unboxing Things. Today we'll be looking at a purchase from Gucci. So this is the paper bag that the cap that I bought comes in. And on the front it has the word Gucci. This is a bit cream colored. It's not exactly cream colored, it's closer to white than cream colored. But it's not white, it's like slightly off-white. Very nice. The bag also comes with these nice black straps, and it also comes with these ribbon-like things that hold the bag closed. So let's open that up. Very nice. When I bought this cap, the guy told me that this box isn't actually the original box the cap should come in, because apparently they ran out of the boxes that the cap usually comes in, so he gave me this box instead. Still, very sturdy box. I like it very much. I'm not sure if you can tell on camera, but there's also a really nice touch of the Gucci brand on the ribbon itself. I like that. The packaging also seems to come with a gifting card, so you can like write the person's name that you're gifting this item to. I'm giving it to myself, so I won't be using this. I really like the details that luxury brands put into the packaging of their merchandise. Very nice. And in this black envelope is the receipt for the purchase. Now let's open up the main package. So it seems the cap comes in a very nice white dust bag, and it's sandwiched between two fillings kind of paper to prevent the cap from shifting around in a box while you're carrying it around or carrying it home. Very pretty. Let's open this up. Oh, look at that. Oh wow, look at that. That's beautiful. This material doesn't feel like... That's nice. And this very thin leather trimming. Oof. So beautiful, so elegant. The cap is entirely covered with the Gucci monogram, and on the side is the usual Gucci green, red, green stripes thing. If we take a look at the back of the cap, the strap is made using leather and Velcro. Interesting. On the inside there is a made in Italy tag, and on the other side there is a Gucci tag. Very, very cool. The inside of the cap, one thing that I realized about this cap is that it feels like even on the inside of the cap, detail has been paid attention to select like a good material. Alright guys, so that's basically it. That's the unboxing experience of this Gucci cap. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and write in the comment section below what you think I should unbox next. Until next time, this has been Unboxing Things.